Hey everyone, this is Al Backness here, Managing Director of Architecture and Platforms here at KINETIQ. Welcome back to our series on fabric planning, where we are taking you into the day in the life of an FP&A organization within the solution. In this video, we're going to be talking all about bringing all of our modules together for true integrated planning and reporting. But before I get into that, I wanted to tell you a quick story of a pain point one of our clients was facing because of the complexity of their planning process and business. For this client, when it came to driver-based planning, they were doing demand planning being a consumer product goods organization, which had a different set of dimensions compared to their OpEx planning, which was being done at a vendor level, their workforce planning, which was being done at a position level, and their CapEx planning, which was being done at a project asset level. Each of these different modules here reflected different dimensionality and data points that needed to be brought together, assigned to the proper line items of a P&L, balance sheet, and cash flow in order to be able to showcase everything within one place. What Fabric Planning is helping to do is utilize InfoBridge, a concept where we are combining data together in a low-code, no-code way directly within the system itself and saving that data behind the scenes back to the data warehouse of your organization. So the beauty with Fabric Planning is it sits on top of your BI warehouse within Fabric. So on here, what we have the capability of doing is utilizing InfoBridge to be able to create queries. As an example here, I want to take you to a query that is created for driver-based planning where we are taking the costs and the revenue and stacking them on top of each other. What this is doing is this is bringing up a separate window where we have step-by-step processes to be able to create different queries, union our data together in order to be able to form a fully baked in profit and loss, balance sheet, and cash flow statement all within one place. So what you can see right here is that we can immediately see our data in place right here, and we have the ability to write that data back to our destination, which is our data warehouse behind the scenes within Fabric. So the write back process is going ahead and completing. We now have our new reflected revenue as well as costs for our organization. When we come down to our planning sheets here, what we have the ability to do is take our data that has been linked within our semantic model to our driver-based planning data set. And we can go ahead now and start to build out our model. So we can immediately see that our numbers are being reflected with the new forecasted values. I can immediately start to build out my account view, and then of course add my view by month in order to be able to see what that looks like across the board. This allows us now to reflect what our organization's impact on the P&L statement looks like based on all of our different driver-based planning modules happening within real time. So as I start to make changes to my inputs, I can immediately run business logic to my data warehouse and then show that output in real time thanks to our semantic model connection. This is true connected planning happening within real time for your organization. Your team is not scrambling to bring data from one system to another. All your data lives within one place. Complexity is handled through normalization, and you're able to do what you do best, understand what's going on in the business, and make the key decisions. We hope you enjoyed this part of the series here. Thank you, and this is Al signing.